A brother sent us an email. He says, almost 99% of the people from the subcontinent always say JAZAKALLAH instead of JAZAKALLAHU KHAIRAN or JAZAKALLAHU khair. What is the correct way? Okay. Now, linguistically, this is valid. I know that the people may object and say, what does JAZAKALLAH mean? The answer is, may Allah reward you. But in Arabic, jazak or reward can be for evil and for good. So I can say JAZAKALLAHU KHAIRAN, which translates to may Allah reward you goodness, khair. Or I can say JAZAKALLAHU SHARRAN, may Allah reward you with evil, with torment, with punishment. So this caused some confusion with the brothers. So when someone says JAZAKALLAH, and he says, okay, what? Good or bad? So they complain and object. You should not say that. Without any doubt, the best way is to say it full. Because the Prophet ﷺ ordered us to reward people by making dua for them. He said, whoever says JAZAKALLAHU KHAIRAN to his brother, then he had praised him and exceeded in praising him. So the Prophet is telling us that the sunnah is to say JAZAKALLAHU KHAIRAN. But linguistically, it is correct. So it all depends on the circumstantial evidences around you. If I do you a favor, if I help you by opening the door or carrying a heavy box with you, and you say to me, JAZAKALLAH, I shouldn't be angry because this is a situation where he is obviously thanking me. Anyone on the streets would say, yes, he's thanking you. I shouldn't make an issue of it and say, yeah, but he didn't say khairan. He didn't say in goodness. He just said, JAZAKALLAH. This is sufficient. The scholars say that this is acceptable, but it's a secondary grade and level. The best of all is to say it complete, JAZAKALLAHU khairan, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.